Good morning, everyone. So, I just wanted to show you a video of something here. There is my station, and I have been working on my scrappy Halloween quilt. We've got like a little kitchen station there. Bunk beds, but we do, look at that. He leaves his clothes everywhere. Oh, we'll have to move that. But look what's on my bed. Yes, what's on my bed is the Fabric Hut quilt kit, because you know I had to bring that on this day. And then watch this. You sleep under the stars at night. How cool is that? That was unbelievable last night. It was cold this morning and I was chilly. But I slept really good last night. So I'm gonna set this up here. I couldn't do a live. I just don't have enough. There really is no internet here, right? So I'm not even sure. Let me see. I'm not even sure I can even. I'm trying to see if I could somehow flip the camera over, but I can't. So we are just set at this. Hopefully you see what I'm up to. I have these blocks. They're like this. And I'm trying to figure out whether this is the best I can do for my design board. Trying to figure out exactly what I'm doing with this scrappy project. We have, let's see, can you see? I have to walk over here. Yeah, you can see. So there is one way we could do this. Another way, and here it is. I'd have to sew it. I'm trying to figure out, let's see. We'll put that there. This is not the best television today. Quilting, but we're getting there. The other thing would be to take, maybe that would make a block, something like this, and make a block like that. So I'm playing with those two ideas. So if I make more of if I do this, we know what it's going to look like. It's going to basically, here, it'll look like this, right? When I put the two blocks together, maybe it'll give me the same look. I actually don't know. Let's see. Ooh, that's kind of neat. I like that because this is giving me a spider webby look. Ooh, I'm liking that. So we have, I'm going to move this again. Move this. Let's see. I only have 20 blocks to play with. 20 of these little sections. But look at this. I'm liking what's happening here, though. I must say. Look at that. I'm sure I would have to do placement a little better. Right now, I'm just doing this super fast. So look at that. What do we think of? Just checking if you could see that. Look at that. That's one way. Let's see what the other way holds. The other way would be, let's make these all over. Would be like this. Oh, it gives me the same look. So look at that. Actually, isn't that funny? Putting these blocks like this, even though it's a different construction completely, but it's giving me, well, no, I guess it is a little different. It's giving me a spidey webby center. Let's see what happens if I continue this. Put that. Now, isn't that interesting? Two different ways of putting together this block, but relatively getting the same look. I wonder if I'm almost just better putting together the blocks and then moving things around instead of making a 4-patch. Look at that. Huh. I guess there may be a slight difference. I'm just not seeing it right now. But that's all the blocks I have actually. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that's 20 blocks there, and then I just have these two. I don't know, I actually think I like the other one better. Huh. Interesting. It really is interesting on, you get the same look, but two different ways of constructing. I know I've repeated myself because I'm just like, wow, okay. So there's that. Huh. Okay. I guess that's food for thought. It's like a little tiny table topper. So that's what I'm up to, folks. I don't know what the day brings me. I do have a cold. I got something from school. I'm not feeling well, but we had already planned this for our anniversary, and so that is tonight for this Yurt experience that we're doing is just for tonight. Yeah, so I'm not doing much more. I hope everyone has a wonderful day. If you like what you see, which today it's a little rough, the video is rough, I'll admit it, but I'm in the middle of nowhere. So if you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and share my channel. I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and get out your scraps and just start sewing and creating. See you soon. Bye.